The NVMe Express management interface is a way to manage NVMe SSDs or any kind of NVM device in an industry standard way, in band or out of band. So what this really means is being able to manage an SSD in a much broader range of operating conditions, for instance, beyond different OSs or different platforms or different CPUs across a host BMC. So really enhancing the capabilities of the management of the SSDs. People use this stuff for health monitoring, for updating firmware, for getting temperature information about the drive, for health and status. So it's really important for IT people to have this robust information about the NVMe devices that they're managing. So NVMe Express over Fabrics enables the transport of NVMe Express, the protocol, over different fabrics beyond PCIe. So PCIe is great for high performance and low latency and scales really well within a rack or within single devices. But if you want to scale those benefits beyond to a larger data center and to a higher number of nodes and higher number of servers, really the best way to do that is through data center fabrics. So NVMe over Fabrics was a way to create a transport agnostic definition of a way to extend the great benefits of NVMe Express, so a streamlined protocol, efficient performance, really low latency, and great queuing mechanism beyond PCI Express onto other additional fabrics like Fibre Channel or Ethernet, for instance. So one of the things about NVMe Express was that it was built to be scalable for future generations. So often we're stuck with a storage stack or storage protocol for many decades. So really NVMe Express was designed from the ground up for SSDs to have high performance and low latency on the PCIe interface. But that will extend benefits out through different decades, extending on different fabrics, extending with different features, and the command set that spans across different types of non-volatile media. So now we have NAND-based SSDs with flash. We have 3D XPoint, for instance, on a next-generation storage class memory. So really NVMe Express scales beyond just the host interfaces and the technologies that we have today, and we think that it'll provide us a really good framework to keep improving and have that continuous innovation going forward. Yeah, and the greatest thing about NVMe Express is it's a community effort. So really we work together, people that want to participate their time and join the technical work group and actually participate and donate their time to go develop these new features. We really focus on the features that are going to add the most benefit and most value to end users. So whether that be in the client, whether that be in the data center or mobile, the work group kind of comes together to decide what new features to work on and how we best spend our resources to go develop that into the NVMe spec to make it scalable for the future technologies. The really unique thing about NVMe Express, that it's the only protocol that I know of that's scalable all the way from mobile phones and desktop computers all the way to data centers and servers and host fabric across the largest data centers in the world. So it's really a broad range of computing environments, and NVMe Express has been scalable. We have the core competencies like high performance, low latency, really good efficiency, and a streamlined protocol that span across all kind of segments, and then we have unique features that provide differentiated value to unique segments that may be really pertinent to client, for instance, like low power, or in the data center where you want additional management capabilities.